Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in health education with Coursera, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Coursera website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Use your email address or sign up with a social media account. Once logged in, navigate to the search bar at the top of the page. Type in health education to find relevant courses. Browse through the list of available courses. Look for introductory courses if you're a beginner. Check the ratings and reviews for each course. Select a course that fits your interests and learning goals. Take note of the course provider and the level of difficulty. Read the course description to understand the curriculum. Look at the format of the course, such as video lectures or quizzes. Consider the course duration and workload before enrolling. Find the enrollment button and click it. If the course is free, you will have immediate access. If it requires payment, review the payment options. Complete the payment process if necessary. Once enrolled, access the course materials from your dashboard. Set a study schedule to keep yourself on track. Engage with any community forums or discussions available. Utilize additional resources provided, such as readings and assignments. Take notes during video lectures for better retention. Complete quizzes and exercises to reinforce learning. At the end of the course, download any certificates offered. Use your newly acquired knowledge to further your career or education. Continue exploring other health education courses on Coursera for advanced learning. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.